Let's get started. Open up the browser, Visual Studio Code, click inside, download the stable build. It's now downloading. OK. Install it. Hit OK. Here's the agreement. Accept it. And I install to D drive instead of C. I might delete it after this demo because I mainly use Sublime Text. Really like it, starts great. But since many people use VSCode, so I tried it again. Actually, I used it before and found it slow to start. Just put it here. Yep. OK. Create. And start the installation. OK. Done. And launch it. Let me see what's updated. There's a build file. Let me see. Alright, it's here. Let's install the Python extension. Here it asks you to install Python. Feel free to revisit the video for that. Here I just test the virtual environment. Click here, install. I see. It installed Jupyter and Pylons. Open up a folder. Go to my USB app folder. Select Don't Trust. Whatever. Not sure if restricted mode matters. Anyway, trust it. Just move somewhere and click Ctrl-Shift-P. Arrow Python select interpreter. Here you can see the default Python. We won't use it as we have created our environment. Simply click the Enter Interpreter path and then find your environment. My environment is in the scripts folder inside my tray. And look for the Python exe file. Then Ctrl-Shift-P, select Interpreter. Then you should see your environment. You should see the environment appears here. Let me try installing Code Runner. Here, extension, hotkey Ctrl-Shift-X, install Code Runner. This one. Go back to the whatever file and hit Ctrl-F5. Then you should see the script running down here. And the program window should come out. Yep. Let me move in. It is this program. Okay.